Yes, so my country people, I throw a salute. Yes, we see the videos where Napoli been post for them official TikTok account, and we see the response from Victor Osimhen agent Roberto Calenda for that official statement where him talk say even if the legal action they go take him up against Napoli and them go do everything to protect them player Victor Osimhen. And we see the way Victor Osimhen take respond for inside pitch because me personally I like say when something they happen like this, make footballer respond for inside pitch and do that thing when he sabi pass. And Victor Osimhen make sure say he do that thing when he know how to do best, wey be to put the ball for the back of the net with that ogbonge goal when he score for Napoli Serie A game against Udinese on Wednesday night. We also see the way some Napoli fans and some Italian football fans take no pata for inside this matter wey dey shele between Victor Osimhen and the club Napoli. But shout out to Nigerian football fans because they make sure say them no carry last. Them show support to them own. And shout out to football fans across Africa and football fans across the rest of the world. Maybe like say them show support to Victor Osimhen for inside this matter. We also don't see that in when be like say Napoli talk say na them official statement. And to me, that official statement, join at all at all. Just follow for inside promo. But this whole matter where they happen between Victor Osimhen and Napoli now, it don't reach that junction where be like say we go ask say what will be the next step for this relationship between Victor Osimhen and Napoli? You think say with wetin you dey see, this relationship between Victor Osimhen and the club Napoli, they go fit patch am? Because sometimes we dey see say when some things happen between some club and some players, they go patch am. But with this body language wey you dey see from Napoli and the way some of their fans dey talk, you think say they go fit patch this relationship between Victor Osimhen and the club to move forward? Or you think say time don reach when be like say Victor Osimhen go get like comot for the club, locate another club for the next transfer window wey be like say na be the January transfer window, or the transfer window wey dey come after that one wey be the summer transfer window. And also some football fans don dey talk say Victor Osimhen come my club, Victor Osimhen come my club, we go do you well. You wey dey talk say Victor Osimhen come my club, make I ask you, your club skin full? Because if your club skin no full, comot body for army man salary o, because the money wey dem go take sign Victor Osimhen go be block money. And which clubs we think say if Victor Osimhen go with the way in dey play, their playing style go suit am and him go do many ogbonge things for im football career, win many trophies, win many individual awards. Which clubs now una dey look around? Because me personally, I dey put eye for inside Real Madrid because I know say dem need striker because dem never replace dem ogbonge striker wey be like say comot go Saudi carry Benzema. But how una dey see dis matter? Which clubs una think say e go good for Victor Osimhen body? We know say last na him own knife and na him own yam, but at the end of the day, I say make I bring the matter come area, maybe like say make we still rub mind for inside this matter. Which clubs una think say go make sense for Victor Osimhen? Because we hear about the English clubs too, the Chelsea's, Arsenal too, still need striker. Manchester United too, na club wey be like say they go fit potentially still bring the money come out. Liverpool too, PSG still dey there. But I say make I bring this matter come because last our people talk say na cooperation dey make pot of rice dey full. Let me know if you talk am. I say make I come drop am for una table. Don't forget to also share this video with your friends and family. Una bye bye.